Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I did record this video, but there was no audio, so I'm going to do it again. So this is the final four options, like you saw last time, for the wage negotiations for IBEW 48. So this is the winner that we got picked right here for $3.15 per hour. I'll show you everything here in a second. So that brings our wage for 2024 in January 1st to $60.50 per hour, for a total raise of $6,552 per year, given that we work 2,080 hours a year, for a total of $125,840 per year. And this is the website that shows all the results. Ignore all the tabs. So the first option, which won, was $3.15 on the check, $50 or 50 cents to a pension, 10 cents to the other pension, and then 35 cents to the flex plan. Number two that got picked, or the second runner-up, was $3.10 on the check, 25 cents to a pension, 25 cents to a pension, 25 cents to flex, and 25 cents to healthcare. The surprise is that the $4 on the check got third place. That's the one that I voted for. I wanted $4 on the check, and then 10 cents on the flex plan. And then last, and in its rightful place, $2.50 on the check, 75 cents to pension, 35 cents to a different pension, and 50 cents to the flex plan. So anyways, just a quick little recap on that. We want to give you guys some information. So if you're thinking about coming to the Portland area or anything like that, moving to relocate or whatever to Portland, Oregon, IBEW 48, it's a good time, good money. Thought I'd give you guys a little update, so that's just what I'm doing. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Excited to finally hit the $60 per hour, and hopefully in 2 or 3 more years we'll be at 70. So anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to check out the giveaway in the last video, and that's all I got for you guys today. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. Love you guys. Peace.